I'm going back to the house from the Bahay Kubo, trying to leave the poor goat alone and have a normal delivery. I'll show you how it looks right now when it's clean here. They just clean the area. It rained really hard last night. We probably have about 3 inches of rain last night and bad thunderstorm. I'm just gonna leave that poor goat alone. I think the baby's face is already there outside, and she's trying to push it, and I hate to just gonna look at that.
She needs to just be left alone.
Needs privacy, right? These are all Mayana, guys. This is a Colleus. I may have to trim them though. They need to be replaced from time to time. I think every 3 months they need to be replaced. I have different kinds here. It's really beautiful. Right there. Okay. I'm gonna show you something that may interest you also. This area here, I had Mexican petunias lined up here the whole entire 6 months when I was here. The only problem with the Mexican petunia, it is sucking out all the nutrients from the other plants. These basically are stunted. What I did is pull them out and put them at the very back, right there. They're there, they're flowering right now, but I had to pull them out yesterday. Well, I would say we did. I'm going to let this just take off, let them climb on the rails. And this one here, this plant here, I already have planted a bunch of them. There's about 7 of them at the very back. So it would take off, it would look like that. And it's gonna be very beautiful here. You don't even require any flowering plants here. You can see that the foliage is already very colorful. So that's why I've been really propagating them left and right. I have probably about 20 plus of them now, starting with just one cutting. They're all over at the back. So these are what we call pandakaki. They're stunted right now, but I know it's gonna take off. I had fertilized them with Miracle Grow from the United States, and I think they're gonna take off shortly. And here comes the boy. He is cleaning the Bermuda because the weeds are taking off. So you really have to kind of pull them out anyway. Basig imo-way po na niyo pag humanda dong. Later on imo-way nimo. Magplant ka na lang po og mga kuan, grass da kuan ha. Katong karabaw. Yeah, please. Yeah, diha banda. Salamat boy ha. Relax lang ta karong adlaw ha. Kay gikapoy. We had done a lot of work. Very much work. Last 2 days. Today I had fertilized this area. I used Miracle Grow also. I like it when this area is clean, but every day seems like we have to do the cleaning of all the leaves that are fallen from the day before. It does not take very long. They are all over the place. And today we're going to borrow one of our friends' pressure washer. We're gonna see if it works on our road here, on our driveway. If it does, We're gonna be buying one. The one we bought is very inferior quality, so it is so slow and it does not do the job. I'll show you something about the creativity of Roel. He had 2 limbs here of a, I think this is yellow bougainvillea, and he formed like a heart, and now it's actually living. Look at that, the growth. It's beautiful. So this is yellow colored one. Let us see how it would look like when it's starting to have flowers. That's my bromeliad corner, and they're really getting overly populated. Very thick, actually, getting very thick. Look at this, guys. These are the bougainvilleas from last year, and they're starting to already take off, and I would just let it climb over the arbor right here. And here comes Chong. Good morning, Chong. All right, my dear ones, I'm gonna let you go, and I'll give you the video on the new member of our family. Actually, those goats, we bought those goats for 9,000 pesos so that Ruel can have something to get busy on, and he's going to just take care of them, and hopefully we can sell some later on, maybe for him. Actually, I'm trying to build up his portfolio, increase his social security, hopefully in about a year from now, social security contribution. And we already paid off the whole entire year for him. And now the boy, since the boy will be with me for about a year now, from November of last year, so he's gonna be with us for 1 year. So I think he deserved to have his social security as well as his PhilHealth, so that they will have a little future while working for us. So everything will get started from here. So if they would leave, then at least they can continue on with little contribution, and they will have something to look forward in their future when they're 60 years old. All right, gang, I'm gonna let you guys. I'm gonna let you go. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.